Welcome to day 6. Today we'll talk about how to speak English confidently and clearly even if your English is not perfect. Step 1. Speak slowly. Fluency is not about speed. Speak at a natural pace and pronounce each word properly. Step 2. Use your hands and expressions. Smile when you talk. Use small gestures. It makes your communication powerful. Step 3. Listen and repeat. Watch English videos, listen carefully, and repeat exactly how they speak. For example, say, "Good morning. How are you? I'm doing great." Notice the tone confident and friendly. Step 4. Record your voice. Speak a few sentences and listen. You'll notice how you sound and where you can improve. And step 5. Never feel shy. Everyone starts somewhere. Confidence grows with practice, not perfection. Your Day 6 challenge. Speak in English for 2 minutes today about any topic like your day, your hobbies, or your plans. Don't stop or switch to Hindi. Tomorrow is the final day full conversation practice. Let's go to day 7.